We are pleased to show you the 2013 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, active grille shutters, speed control, day-night rear view mirror, dual note horn, front license plate bracket, front stabilizer bar, rear stabilizer bar, electronic stability control. Inside you'll find overhead console. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.